Hi, good morning. Hopefully you had a really good day yesterday adding your 10 numbers together. And today, depending on how you've done it, you could be today doing it in your head, or you could be moving on to the next day's learning. It just depends what you did. So I'm going to do a little bit of both today. Okay, now with your tens numbers, okay, so if I just put an example up on here, we want to start being able to do these in our head. Okay, sorry about the slant, it's really hard to draw and look at this at the same time. So it's really important that you start thinking about this in your head, okay? So for example, if I've got 60 and 20, how do I know this is 60? Because it's got 6 tens, excellent. How do I know that this hasn't got any ones? Because it's got a 0 in the ones column. Fantastic. So just a few questions there just to sort of get them thinking. Okay, so here we go. We've got 60 and 20. Now, I'm going to put that number in my head, 60. Now, because I know 6 add 2, okay, I know it straight away, I can tell you that that is 80. However, you can just count it in your head, okay? So sometimes I go 60, 70, 80, 2 tens, okay? So it depends how your brain thinks. You could count it in your head. You can use your fingers. I would encourage you to keep using them and then just see how you go without using them one time. It's just about doing these kinds of sums in your head, okay? So doing tens in your head, absolutely fine, okay? So if you're doing that learning today, just keep on trying with it and hopefully it should start becoming a little easier, okay? I'm going to write one more up because I just want to show you an example. I don't think there's any of these on the sheet. No, let's change that number for a minute. Okay, so I have got 30 and 60 equals. Now, if I was putting a number in my head, would I start with 30? No, you start with the biggest number, okay, because then you've got less to add on to it. Okay, so it's just important. I don't think there's any on the sheet, but it's just a good thing just to know. Okay, right, let's have a go then at 2-digit and 2-digit with no regrouping today. Okay, so I'm going to write up a sum on here. Okay, so what number sentence have I got? We have got 54 and 23. How do I know this is 23? Because it's got 2 tens and 3 ones. Lovely. Now, I used to draw the tens and ones over these all the time, just so that they know which numbers we're adding. We are going to do the tens first, okay? So, how many tens have I got in this number? 5 tens, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many tens have I got in this number? 2, 10, 20. Now we're going to add our ones, okay? How many ones have I got over here? I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones have I got in this number? I've got 3. 1, 2, 3. Now comes the magic moment. Okay, so we're going to add up all our tens. So I've got 5 here, 6, 7. So I've got 7 tens. I've got 4 ones, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got the number 77. Okay, fantastic. Let's do one more just to make sure that we're okay with that today. Okay, so let's do... Lovely. So I've got the number sentence. 62 and 35. Okay, so what do I add first? The tens. Excellent. So which tens first? Let's go over here. I need 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, what have I got now? On the other side, I've got 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. What am I going to add now? The ones. Excellent. So on this side, I've got 1, 2, and on this side, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many tens have I got all together? I have got 6 on this side, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big number today. And how many ones have I got now? Anybody spotted anything? Because I would start with this number in my head. Why? Because it's the bigger number. Okay, so I've got 5, and then I'm adding on 2 more, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 97. So see how you get on with those today, unless you are doing your tens in your head. Absolutely fine, okay? And enjoy the day. I hear it's going to be really nice and warm. All right, miss you all.